So when you're detailing your Panigale, I use my microfiber cloth, a special microfiber cloth for my rims, because I want to give it that light look to go in all the crannies. You see all the little sections that you will normally not get when you are just washing the bike. So you can wash the bike, but after you wash the bike, I suggest you use a microfiber cloth to get in all the grooves of the rims. It's very important that you go in all the grooves of the rims, so that there's some things that you wouldn't catch when you're just washing the bike. So that's where the microfiber cloth for your rim comes into play. You want to take care of your bike so that it can take care of you. Get that shine. See? You can see the little black spots. It's the microfiber to take it out. Okay, see now the motor, Ducati Panigale. How to detail your rim after you wash.